All right, Dave. Ryan Conway, Pat O'Brien Chevrolet in Westlake. Just wanted to come out here and get you a closer look at the 2016 Chevy Malibu that I sent you a link on earlier. I also have some strange news at the end of this video. We've got the super clean jet black leather interior. Your dual moonroof up top. The Malibu's not that big. It goes Cruise, Malibu, Impala, which I'm sure you already know. I don't know if she plans on having a laptop with her, but we have the 120 volt actual plug-in in this vehicle as well. A couple of USBs in the back. The Bose premium audio. As far as trunk space goes, ton. Of course, you've got the nicer wheels, sun and sound package, 23,000 miles or so. The power driver with adjustable lumbar, 23,940 to be exact. It's got your heated seats, so we hit the trifecta on this. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, gigantic screen. So you've got the backup camera with the rear park assist, and factory navigation. And I've actually got an answer for the navigation overrated, and I can't believe I've gotten so lucky today. But there's that Malibu, 2016 certified new body style. Got a couple others here, but it's not leather interior. Non-leather interior. Hang with me. Don't hit the X button just yet. So we're coming up to an identical 2016 Malibu, $500 less. The exact same Malibu, but minus navigation. 28,000 miles, not bad. I mean, it's just a little bit more than the last one. We've got the jet black leather interior, super clean. We still have the plug and the USBs back here. We still get the Bose audio, power driver, adjustable lumbar. The only thing that we're cutting out, and we still got the heated seats and the dual moonroof, but we're not paying for navigation. You're 100% correct. Navigation is overrated. This does have the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto as well. I don't have the key on me, so it won't show me, but another one has officially hit the lot today. It just got back from cleanup, minus the navigation, $500 less. If there's any interest in coming in Saturday, test driving, making sure it's not too big, and going over some options, give me a call when you get a chance. 440-522-5867. Thanks again. I'll talk to you soon. Great day.